హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఎంట్రీ. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం మంత్ బేస్డ్ పజిల్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Now see the information. Study the following information carefully and answer the below questions. There are 7 persons joined the LMP organization in 2017. All have joined in different dates, either same or different month. And each of them already has different work experiences. వాళ్ళకి already experiences ఉందని చెప్పి. It's an information. And finally, the project is given to those people having total experience of calculate their experience on the date of 1st August 2020, at least 11 years, and also has 3 years experience in the same organization. Same organization means LMP. Now see the information first. So first మనకి information లో major గా జాగ్రత్తగా చూద్దాం. First we have to arrange a particular person. We need to identify that experience of the person and the joining date. So these are the three parameters you need to identify. Now go through every information. Here there is information. Total experience means previous experience plus experience in LMP organization. Now see the information. At least 4 persons joined after L, whose experience is odd number. ఏమన్నాడంటే after L తర్వాత at least 4 persons అంటే greater than or equal to 4 persons ఉండాలి. And who's having an experience of odd experience. Years of experience అనేది odd number అయి ఉండాలి. తర్వాత and joined 2 persons before the one who has 14 years experience. So and joined 2 persons before the one who has 14 years experience. Next one. And the one who has 14 years of experience joined either first or last in the company. Now total number here. See, I just consider there is a 7 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడమ్మా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం. ఓవరాల్ గా మనం 7 పర్సన్స్ అనేది ఈ పర్టికులర్ కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యారని చెప్పాడు. సో మనకు ఉన్న పాసిబిలిటీస్ అనేది బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రకారం చూసుకుంటూ వెళ్దాం. సో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏమేమి ఇచ్చాడో జాగ్రత్త. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనకు పాజిటివ్ థింగ్ ఏముంది అంటే ఎన్ ఇక్కడ ఎవరికైతే 14 ఇయర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉందో ఆ పర్సన్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. అండ్ ఇంకో పర్సన్ ఎన్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు చూడండమ్మా, ఎయిదర్ పర్సన్ ఎన్ కానీ 14 ఇయర్స్ ఎవడైతే ఉన్నాడో వాడు కానీ ఎయిదర్ ఫస్ట్ కానీ లాస్ట్ కానీ రావాలి. సో ఎన్ అనేవాడు 14 ఇయర్స్ పై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న వాడి మీద వస్తాడు అనేది మన దగ్గర ఉన్న డేటా. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండమ్మా, అరేంజ్మెంట్ లోకి వెళ్దాం. సో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లో ఎయిదర్ పర్సన్ ఎన్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ లో వస్తాడు. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, పర్సన్ ఎన్ అనేవాడు ఫస్ట్ లో వస్తాడు. అంటే 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తున్నాయండి. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. పర్సన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డేట్ మనకు 2 వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ చూద్దామా, పర్సన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డేట్, పర్సన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డేట్. 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటానండి. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను పర్సన్ ఎన్ అనేవాడిని నేను జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండమ్మా, ఎన్ అనేవాడిని నేను ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ తీసుకుంటానమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ జాయినింగ్ పర్సన్ అనుకున్నా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎన్ అనేవాడు 14 ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉందో వాడికి 2 పర్సన్స్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యాడంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 14 ఇయర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. సెకండ్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏంటి మనకి, either n or 14 comes either first or last. Now I assume that this is the 14 years of experience. ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటాం. If I take it as 14 years of experience here, n can join exactly here. That's an information. n అనేది ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. We done with the point. The number of persons joined before n same as the number of is the same as after the one who has 5 years of experience. Okay. The number of persons who joined before n. So there is a no persons before n. After 5 years also there is a no particular person. Right? Because the number of persons who joined before n exactly equal to the number of persons who joined after 5 years of experience. In the same way, before n, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons and 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. Now you can consider here by the 5. We're done with this point. Next one. The number of persons joined between n and l same as the number of persons between q and 15. So next point, the number of persons between N and L. So the number of persons between N and L, which is same as the number of persons between Q and whose experience is 15 years. So we already know that after L, so more than 4 persons joined means C. So we can't place here, 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 here for L. So these are the not suitable places for L. Now here L can be either here or L can be a here. But we already know that L is the odd experience. L is the odd experience means we can't place in the third position. So definitely we can consider here by the L. In the same way, so in this we can take it as LB the here, LB the here, LB the here. We have a three possibilities. So note down the point. Now the next information. So the one who has 14 years of experience joined immediately after the one who has 15 years of experience. See, 14 years of experience ఎవరికైతే ఉందో, see, the one who has 14 years of experience joined immediately after who having a 15 years experience. Now here by the 15, in this case we can consider here by the 15. Now again see the number of persons between L and N and Q and 15. Q and 15 is same. So here N and L there is a no person. So we can't take it as here by the Q. So definitely Q be the here. The next one. So here we have a many possibilities. Okay, take a hold for the second point. Go for the next one. P joined two persons after Q. So P joined two persons after Q. So exactly P be the here. So take it as a third point here. So P joined after Q. Exactly, there is a one persons between P and Q. So in this, we already not confirm the Q's information. Q guరించి మనకు తెలియదు. Next one. P joined three persons after the one who joined immediately after 21st April. Information ఏం చెప్తుంది ఏంటంటే there is a one person who joined in 21st April. So there is a immediate person. There is an immediate person. So P was joined after three persons. 1, 2, 3. So we can place here by the P. That is the information, guys. Next information. O joined before R. Who joined O joined before R. O joined before R. Any of the position. O joined before R. So who can be represented for R? R joined 27th of October. R joined 27th of October and O joined after M. O joined after M. Any of the position. The one who has 8 years of experience joined three persons before the one who has 12 years of experience. Who joined 30th of July. Now see there is information. So there is a person having a 12 years of experience. The person is joined exactly 30th of July. The information, see, the person who having 8 years of experience joined three persons before. See, three persons before means 1, 2, 3. So in this position, there is an 8 years of experience. 8 years of experience. Now, N has experience which is odd number. So the person N is the odd experience. Let me take this point. For example, we'll change the color, see. If I assume that 12 be the here. Now 1, 2 we can't place here by the 8. So we are not placed. So this is also not a suitable position. So now I am taking this is for 12 years of experience and there is a two persons between them. Definitely there is an 8. But we already know that N having an odd experience. Definitely this is not a right possible. You can eliminate it. This is not a right possible. In the same way, see, we can't place here by the 12. We can't place here by the 12. So we can assume that this is the place 12 here, 1, 2. So there is a no assumption. It is an exact information. Why? Because there is no other possibility. So n దగ్గర ఎందుకు పెట్టలేదంటే n requires a odd experience and 12 అనేది even కాబట్టి. And we already know that 12 years of experience, the person joined exactly 30th of July. Was joined 30th of July. 30th of July. Q has twice the experience of O. So Q has twice the experience of O, guys. So we're done with this point. You just erase it. Done with this point. Q has twice the age of O. Now you just concentrated on that. So there is information between N to L and Q to 15, and you already know that N and L are both. See, N and L are odd experiences. See, N and L are odd experiences. Now see, we already know that this is the N. If I assume that this is the L, for example, if I assume that this is the L, the number of persons between N and L is a 1, and 15 and Q is also 1. So we can place here by the Q. This is one possibility. Possibility number 1. For example, if I take it as Q here, if I take it as a Q here, definitely it is an L. But you already know that Q's AC is double of O's AC. If you assume that if Q is equal to 5, definitely O value is 2.5. That is not possible. That's why we can't place here by the Q. So now you can confirm that it's a Q position and it's a L position. We're done with the second point. We're done with the first point. Now L is the odd experience. The next one. So we already confirmed Q here. After Q, there is a one person between Q and P, and the P was joined after Q. So we can confirm here by the P. Now we left with the MOR. We left with the MOR. So definitely M here, O here, R here. We're done with the both. So as we know already know that R value exactly equal to 26. He joined exactly 26th of October. Done. Done. Now, so P, we already know that P. So there is a three persons, 1, 2, 3, and immediately above person date is exactly 21st April. 21st of April. So 21st of April, he was joined exactly in the LMP organization in 2007. We have information still. The difference between the O and N, so that it deals with the experience. Q is equal to 2 times of O. Next one. So there is information related for experience. C. The difference between the experience of O and N is the same. The difference between the experience of N and Q. The difference of O and N. So Q value is 2 times of O. Q value is 2 times of O. See? So Q value is 2 times of O means definitely O is equal to 6. The difference between O and N. So the difference between the O and N and Q is the similar. N and Q is the similar, but we are not sure. We need to identify the N value. Other than how much? Take a note point. Next one. The one who experiences even number joined on the date which has twice his experience in the month which has odd number of days. So take a start point, కొంచెం information పెద్దగా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడంటే ద వన్ హూ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. సో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ లో ఉంటే ఆ పర్టికులర్ పర్సన్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యాడంటే సో ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ ఉన్న మంత్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. అంటే 30, 31 అని ఉంటుంది కదా, అలా 31 డేస్ ఉన్న మంత్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 1. అండ్ వాడి యొక్క అంటే వాడి జాయినింగ్ డేట్ అనేది వాడి యొక్క ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ట్వైస్ అని చెప్పాడు. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. నెక్స్ట్, ఎం డస్ నాట్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ జాన్యువరి. వి కాంట్ ప్లేస్ ఇయర్ బై ద జాన్యువరి. We can't place here by the, so we can't place January here, and February we are not sure ఎందుకంటే డేస్ చెప్పలేం కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్ గా మార్చ్ వస్తుందండి. మార్చ్ అండ్ డేట్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే వాడి యొక్క ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే డబల్ చేయమన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ 16th March. కెన్ కన్ఫర్మ్ దట్. సో వి డన్ విత్ దిస్ పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ one of the person joined 12 days before R. 12 days before R. Now see the information. 12 days before R means he is exactly joined 15th of October. Before Gavati. One of them joined on 29th May. So one of the person joined 29th May. 29th May. April, May, June, July. So definitely it's at 29th. Next one. So P does not join on 1st September. P does not join on 1st September. Based on the work experience, if a foreign company LMP gives the project with a certain conditions. So there is information. See, the project is given to those people having a total experience, and they said that at least 11 years and also 3 years experience of same organization. Now see here. Then we left with a n value. So n value is exactly equal to odd number of, means odd, the n experience is the odd number of years. Now see, the difference between O and n, the difference between O and n, and the difference between n and q is the similar. N and q is the similar. Now see, here O value is equal to 6. The O value is equal to 6. Here q value is equal to 12. Now what is the value of n? So what is the value of n? Definitely it is a 9. It's a between value. Definitely the value of n means the experience of n exactly equal to 9. N having a 9 years of experience, and we already know that one of the date is not related for P, and n is the first. So it's an entire arrangement. Let's see that it's a recruitment procedure for 2017. ఇందులో ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఏమి ఇచ్చాడండి? The project is given to those people having a total experience at the date of 1st August 2020. 1st August 20 రిఫరెన్స్ అండి. అండ్ సో ప్రాజెక్ట్ రావాలంటే వాడికి అట్లీస్ట్ 11 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండాలి, అండ్ ఆల్సో 3 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇన్ ది సేమ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. జాగ్రత్త. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, హూ అమాంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ పర్సన్స్ గెట్స్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్? MQPR అన్నాడు. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. వీడు 16th March 2017 లో జాయిన్ అయితే, జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, 1st August 2020కి సో కంపల్సరీగా 3 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుందండి. 3 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో మనకి ఆగస్ట్ తర్వాత జాయిన్ అయిన ఎవరికి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండదండి. సో ఈ 3 కేసెస్ అయితే మనకి. తర్వాత చూడండి, అట్లీస్ట్ 11 years అంటే 8 + 3 = 11 వీడవుతాడు. మరలా 12 + 3 = 15, కానీ వీళ్ళిద్దరూ అవ్వరు. కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుందమ్మా? పర్సన్ MQ కి మాత్రమే అవుతుంది. MQ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2, if the company appointed most experienced person, total experience, as a CEO, then second most experienced person is MD. Then who among the following is MD of the company? హైయెస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది P కు ఉంది, సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది R కు ఉంది. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ పర్సన్ అనేది MD అవుతారు. కాబట్టి R is the suitable. Third one, the one who joined at the last in LMP company resigned from the job. Then who among the following person is resigned? ఈ కంపెనీలో లాస్ట్ గా జాయిన్ అయిన పర్సన్ ఎవరండి? R. సో R అనేవాడే కంపెనీ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. How many persons joined between L and P? So how many persons are joined between L and P? 1, 2. So 2 persons are joined between L and P. Now see the fifth question. If N joins the same date as O, date same, but the month is unchanged. So month is unchanged. Then how many months N joins the company with respect to O? So N and O information. See, N and O. N is the 1st September. O is the 21st April. See, 21st April O. 21st April. 1st September. Now how many? See, if you consider that respective date is a similar, then N was joined after how many months? So after April, May, June, July, August, September. So exactly ఎన్ని మంత్స్ తర్వాత జాయిన్ అయ్యాడంటే మనకి 5 months తర్వాత వాడి జాబ్ లో అనేది జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. These are the 5 questions. Just concentrated on the information. So ఇచ్చిన data ఏదైతే ఉందో, observe the direct information, and second one is the indirect information. And you have to analyze the indirect information to get the multiple possibility. If both direct and indirect gives exact one possibility, ఈ రెండు కలిసి ఒక possibility ఇస్తుంది. So that is the perfect puzzle arrangement for entire information. These are the 5 questions for respective set.